Hi there, this is Mr. Nash. I'm your teacher. I'm going to go over how to complete Lesson 1. Hopefully you've been able to log in. If you are unable, please let me know and send me an email. You're going to want to go to Content, Lesson 1, and you can make it bigger here and zoom in, or you can download it and open it up there. First lesson is an introduction. We're about halfway through. Click on here to find the lessons. Click here to submit the lessons. There's my email. There's my Teams. You can click on it and you'll pop up to my Teams. Here's some videos to help you get started with how to use the hub and how to write. All these components are necessary to know in order to write a paragraph or an essay. What are you going to do? You're going to write about 3 things that make you happy. Here's my model paragraph. You could start with a quote, pick one of your own favorites, or just get right into it. Make sure that you say, there are 3 things that make me happy, and you write those 3 things. 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to talk about that first thing. For me, it's cycling. So I'm going to have to tell you all about how cycling makes me happy. Next thing you're going to do is talk about your second thing that makes you happy. My second happy place is on the trails. Now I'll give some details. Then you're going to talk about the last thing that makes you happy. For me, it was reading. My last great joy is reading. One thing I want to point out is that you might have noticed that I am using transition words like second, last, and I'm going to write about that. Then I'm going to wrap it all up with a concluding sentence where I talk about moving on 2 wheels, 2 feet, and reading the news. Okay? Moving on 2 wheels, 2 feet, and reading the news. Okay? So you definitely need an introductory sentence, topic sentence, 3 details explained, and a concluding sentence that tells me those 3 details once more. You can look at another paragraph, but that's really the one. To complete your paragraph, you are going to open up your hub page and click on Word. Click on blank document and you can start writing. Make sure you write your name, my name, date, it is 29th, and then the class name, the course, and then the lesson name. And all of your courses should look the same. So give me a suggestion. Just click on it. That's why I'm saying to use Word, because Word will fix your document for you. Then use these to make it center, back to the left, and you can start writing. The 3 things. Now, I'm not going to write anymore. I am going to dictate. So I'm going to click on this microphone. It's going to start listening. 3 things that make me happy are eating pizza, watching Netflix, and talking to my friends. Period. Okay? Then I stop it. Even got suggestions here. Thank you. Look at that. It's even fixing it all for me. And that's amazing. Make sure you indent with the tab key. Make sure it's double spaced. So I highlight it. Then I go to spacing right there. Go to 2. And keep on writing. First, I like to da da da. And then second, and then give some details. Then second, da 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 da. When you're done, make sure you save it as something obvious, like lesson 1, or we'll see. Something like that. Click somewhere else or click enter. Then you're going to go to Assignments, and then you're going to find Lesson 1, and then let's say yours is going to look a little bit different. Maybe you've done this before, but I'll just do it quickly for you. Add a file. Now you're going to find it on OneDrive. That's where all of these assignments are saved. They're saved automatically. You can never lose them. I've got a jabillion here, so I'm going to have to click over a million times. You find it. I know it's not this one, but just pretend it is. Click Add. And then you click Submit a File.